In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Pinterest board IDs. This is the fastest way to do it. I've seen other videos talking about going to network tabs and all this technical stuff. Unnecessary. So if you go over to your Pinterest account, you go and find your board. So let's say I want to find the ID of this board so I can use it with the API. Right click, inspect. Excuse me, not inspect actually, because that's the thing that a lot of people have been doing. They've been going to inspect and then network and then clicking on one of these tabs from the network tab and refreshing the page. I found that if you simply right click and go to view page source and then you command F, and then you search for this string that I have down here, you'll find your board ID along with it. Now I'll show you exactly what that string is over here, because I can then zoom in. Actually, you know what it is? It's just this string right here. This is the most reliable string I've found to give me exactly what to search for, to find the exact board ID. Because if you just search for a bunch of numbers that look like a board ID, or you just search for the word board ID, you will find the wrong board ID, because there are different ones throughout this HTML document. This is the one string that I found that always gives me the correct board ID right here. So this is it. So copy that on your clipboard. Maybe I'll add it to the video description, but probably not. So just look at your screen, copy that, and just type that into Command F after you right click and click a view page source, and that's it. There you got your board ID. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.